Drew, why are you upset? Can you tell me why you're upset? Oh, is that why you're upset? Because you have a lot to clean? Oh, Drew. I'm guessing you were standing right there. Because all the way around. Hey, let's clean it up. Put it back. That's one. You got 5,000 more to do. Drew. That's two. Okay, we're not going to be here this whole time. Oh, you're sad, aren't you? We'll be right back with a broom and dustpan. Say bye-bye.